Capcut, please, you need to stop making every feature a pro feature. Hey lovelies, it feels so good to be back, but now something brought me back here, and today we're going to be diving into Capcut, the most popular video editing app that has been making waves lately. Now there's something we need to talk about. Capcut, please, you need to stop making every feature a pro feature. Well, let's get into it. For those who might not know, Capcut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing app developed by ByteDance. It's also the same company behind TikTok. It's been praised for its intuitive design and wide range of features that make video editing accessible to everyone. There are a lot of things to love about Capcut. It offers a variety of tools from trimming, cutting, adding effects, transitions, and even advanced features like chroma keying and motion tracking. Plus, it's seamlessly integrated with TikTok, which makes sharing your creations even super easy. However, there is a growing frustration among users, and that's the increasing number of features locked behind a paywall. It's understandable that developers need to monetize their apps. Capcut is beginning to make basic and essential features pro only, which can be quite limiting for casual users and aspiring creators who rely on free tools. Now let's break down why this is problematic. First, Capcut initially gained popularity because it was a free, powerful tool accessible to everyone. By moving more features to the pro version, it's alienating the very user base that helped it grow. Features like HD export, setting filters, effects, and even more advanced editing tools are now behind a paywall. This can be particularly frustrating for creators who depend on these features to produce high-quality content. Imagine being a small creator or a student who's just starting out. Having essential tools suddenly become paid features can be a huge setback. It creates a barrier to entry and stifles creativity, especially for those who can't afford the subscription. When we compare Capcut to other editing apps like iMovie, InShort, and even DaVinci Resolve, many of these offer a robust free version with a fair balance of paid features. They provide essential tools for free while monetizing more advanced niche features. What can Capcut do to improve? Just my suggestions of what Capcut can do to improve. 1. Balance free and pro features. Keep essential editing tools free and offer more advanced features as part of the pro package. 2. Freemium model. Implement a freemium model where users can access a full set of basic tools for free and opt for additional advanced features if they choose to. 3. Occasional freebies. To provide occasional access to pro features as part of a promotion or limited time offer to keep users engaged and interested in upgrading. So for everyone out there, what do you think? Should Capcut reconsider its approach to pro features? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. I'll see ya in my next video. A bientôt!